Hey guys, it's your boy Jackson back with another video today, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to get a Subway Surfer hack. Alright, and for this hack, all you're going to need is a phone. Nothing, no computer, nothing else. Alright guys, so let's get into the video. You're going to want to click on the link that I have provided down in the description for you. Alright, it'll bring you directly to this page right here. Alright, but you should be right here. So what you're going to want to do is, if there is a little do you see the third button to the right? It should look like a little Safari icon. If you're going to this from YouTube, just click the Safari icon. But that's fine. So just go to regular and then hit download now. And then hit install. And then once you've did that, it should start installing, just like so. Alright guys, so I'm going to let that install. Alright, so once it has installed, if you click on it, like so, it'll say Untrusted Enterprise Developer. Boom. You're going to want to go to Settings, General, Profile and Device Management, Shangu Di Chingalao, that's not it, Trust Winner Maker, that's what it's called, Winner Meta Co. Just trust it, and then click on it. Alright, so if you have the regular version of Subway Surfers, you're going to have to uninstall it. So once it'll bring you to this page, what you want, and the Pokemon Go hack is still working. Alright, so just go up here to the search bar and type in Subway Surfers. So when you type that in, you see where it says Subway Surfer Infinite Coins. Just hit get, and it should start downloading. And guys, I'm going to show you. I'm going to let it install. So it's installing. Alright, so just give it a minute. I don't know. Alright, so you might have to hit install on it. It would be green. So hit install again. And now it should start installing on your front page. That's good. So now just click on it. And now you have a hacked Subway Surfer. I'm going to go through it and show you guys. See, alright, it probably will tell you to update. But what I'm going to do is just show y'all guys that it is hacked. 12 million coins. Which is you'll probably never be able to run through those. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, peace out.